to eggs. Make sure you have a grown-up to help you cook the ramen. Step 1. Pour the 2 cups of water into your pot. Next, have a grown-up help you boil the water. While that is boiling, we are going to crush up the ramen because I like my ramen in small pieces. Take out your seasoning packet and put it to the side. We might eggs in the ramen, so we're gonna do it red. If you need help. My hand is kind of messy, so now for the second egg. Egg to the side. When the water is boiling, we're going to move on to step 2, which is a noodle. Let that cook for 3 minutes. We're gonna add the eggs in. Let that boil and stir it in. When it's done cooking, let a grown-up turn off the stove. Step 3 is to pour the seasoning in. Stir it gently. We're gonna serve it now. Be careful, it's really hot. I'm gonna serve it.